Day, San Diego. Randy Alcantara, co-founder of Crowns Guam here. Always excited to come out here to SD, flying out from Guam. It's our 4th year here, and we're really excited to be here. Thank you for everybody, all of our supporters, for coming out today and sharing us this special moment with us. Every year, it's always a success for us, and we're always happy to be here. And so here's some of our products here that we got. Our main focus, our main staple here is our logo here, our Crowns logo with the under brim, home under brim. We got our flag here from Guam, and then we got the Charger GU Bones Charger with the camel brim, and then we got our home hat, PIFA exclusive, with a little PIFA hit on the side. It's 2016. Harley Home always repping the home sale here, and this one here is one of our top hitters here. And as far as our headwear is the Chief logo. This one here always sells out for us every time we release it here. Chief, it's royalty, so pretty much, it ties into all our ancestors and all the ancient chiefs and pretty much our cultures here. So we got this tee here is our PIFA exclusive tee, 2016 exclusive, super logo, and then a PIFA exclusive in the back here. Pacific Islander Festival 2016. And then we got our home tee here, our big half sail here with our new GU logo here on the side hit. Another strong one for us is the Chief logo with the floral background here, and we got the San Diego Padre theme inspired by the San Diego Padres. And then also what I wanted to let everybody know is that our products are very limited. We don't reproduce any of our designs, any of our colorways. Every single piece has a number to it, so very exclusive. And once we produce one product, it'll never be produced again. So if you're trying to get that piece, you got to get it when it's there, because maybe tomorrow it won't be there. So yeah, pretty much that's pretty much about the brand and our products as well. Thank you so much.